This video explains how to install Fit-Web-Theme's Restaurant Edition onto a WordPress website. After you've signed up for hosting and logged into WordPress, you'll be on this screen, the dashboard. Head on down to Appearance and click Themes. Head to the top and click Upload. Now click Upload Theme. In the box that appears below, click Choose File. Now select Fit-Restaurant-theme.zip, which you can download by clicking the link in the description of this video. Then click Install Now. This will take a minute. Once finished, click Activate. The theme will now be installed and activated. In the next video, we'll show you how to customize this theme.